In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Dropbox folder with someone. By the end, you'll know exactly how to invite people directly, generate a shareable link, and even create a QR code for easy access. First, let's get to Dropbox. Open your web browser and type Dropbox into the search bar. In the results, click the official Dropbox website. You'll recognize it by the Dropbox.com address and the Dropbox logo. Once you're on the site, sign in to your account. Use your regular login for personal use or your team login if you're working with colleagues. After you're in, navigate to your files. Find the folder or the specific file if that's what you want to share, and hover your mouse over it. When you hover, quick action options should appear, including the share button or icon. From here, you have 3 clear ways to share. First, to invite people directly, click Share. In the sharing window, type the recipient's email address, name, or a group if your organization uses groups. Choose the right permission. Can Edit allows them to add, change, and remove files inside the folder. Can View limits access to viewing and downloading only. If you want, add a short message to explain what you're sharing or what you expect them to do. When everything looks good, click Share to send the invitation. The recipient will receive an email with access, and, in many cases, the folder will appear in their Dropbox once they accept. A quick tip: use Can View for broad audiences and reserve Can Edit for trusted collaborators. Second, to create a link, open the same Share panel and click Copy Link. This instantly generates a shareable URL that you can paste into an email, chat, or document. It's perfect when you don't need to manage an invite list. Keep in mind that the link's permission level, often view only by default, controls what people can do. If someone says the link doesn't work, make sure they have the complete, unbroken URL. Third, to use a QR code, choose Create a View-Only QR code. Dropbox will generate a scannable image that points to the folder. This is great for presentations, printed materials, or signs where people can scan with their phone cameras. Save or download the QR code and place it wherever it's convenient. Because it's view-only, your original files stay safer. That's all there is to it. Find your folder, invite directly for controlled access, share a link for simplicity, or use a QR code for quick scanning. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.